Good morning, guys. This is Tony. Welcome to Rolda's Details. So in today's video, we are going to be detailing two trucks. It's going to be a F-150, and as well we're going to be detailing is a Cadillac. It's a big SUV. So anyways, that's what we're going to be doing today. But before we jump into the detail, I'm going to go ahead and do some exercise. I'm trying to do some exercise now because I am getting old and I don't feel like that great. So let's go ahead and let's do it. Let's go.
Yeah. Yeah. What? Yeah. Yeah.
Looks like they are easy, but whenever you are out of shape,
Yeah.
whew, it's hard for me.
Next exercise.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right, that was it on the exercise. Next time I'm gonna be doing this guy better. So, but I just look for videos, how to do exercise and stuff like that, just to follow them, because I don't have any knowledge on how to do exercise. I used to go to the gym when I was super young. That was 10 years ago, when I was 24, 25, and then after that, I started making some babies, and I'd rather spend the time with my babies than go out and do some exercise and stuff like that. But now I'm getting old, so I kind of see the important that like how important it is to be in shape in order to last for my kids. So you guys see how things are. Before I don't want to go to the gym so I can spend time with them, and now I want to be in shape and healthy for them. So but anyways, now let's get into the video. The trucks, the vehicles that we're gonna be detailing today, which that's another type of exercise because it's gonna get you really, really good, especially if it's hot. But anyways, we still gotta do some exercise, I believe. If not, you guys gonna end up like this. I don't recommend that to you guys. So, all right, let's go ahead. Let's jump into those vehicles. Let's go. All right, guys. So, yep, we are moving forward, and already when you went to take a shower, drinking some coffee right now. Ivan in the steering wheel. So we're gonna take care of two vehicles today. It's gonna be each vehicles we are charging $375. So we easy gonna make $750 today. So stay tuned. Let's check it out. Let's do it. Let's go. All right, guys. So we just got here, and this is the two vehicles we're gonna be doing. We have this F-150. It is a F-150 or 250? 150. And we have this Cadillac. So we are gonna be, which this one here, we wanna bring it back to normal conditions. As you guys can see, there is a little dirty, cracks, crevices. That's the main thing. Protect the leather as well. All these areas. We'll do our best. Ivan is already starting right there with that one. But yeah, that's the idea. Gonna make it look like new again. All right, and also this one here as well is dirty, but not that dirty. So we're gonna get it. Let's go ahead and finish these things because this is about to be sunny. It is sunny, but we got some shade, so we're gonna try to make it before that gets all the way here. Let's do it. lot of people forget about it. This little area here and the door jamb on the other one. So as you guys can see, we have this little window here, and this area almost never, people never open this thing, but we have to clean it up no matter what. So let's do it. All right guys, so we just finished the washing process. Now we're gonna start with the wax, and also we did the engine bay on both of them. So we're gonna dry them off and install some protection on all the plastics and stuff like that. Clean up door jambs. Ivan is over there getting some stuff to continue, and we're gonna start getting into the interior of the vehicle. So all right, that's how we like to do. We start with the outside to beat up or beat the sun, so that way, you know, it's better. It's gonna be better just to work on the shed a little bit. The sun is getting almost by half of the truck already, but yeah, we was able to make it. So we're gonna continue, so let's go. Alright guys, so we just finished these two nice vehicles, and right now we are moving forward. Yeah, I'm sweating, I'm so sorry guys, but yeah, anyways, another person came and they want us to detail another car, so it's gonna be another one. It's gonna be a full interior and full exterior detail. That one there is a little bit dirty, and it's around 2 o'clock right now, so we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna eat, we're gonna get some gas, water and everything, and we're gonna come back to do this vehicle. So stay tuned, let's keep going. Alright guys, so we are over here with the third vehicle. Actually this vehicle stopped whenever we was detailing the other two vehicles, so we're gonna take care of this one as well. We're just gonna put some stuff away that I have in the shop. That's not a problem. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do, and this day is gonna end up being over $1,000, so it's great. And that's how we normally make some money in order to, you know, keep employees, business, products, equipment, and all. So it's a lot more, you know, that is going together with. So it's the $1,000, but it's not means that we keep the whole $1,000. So yeah, just something to keep in mind. Yeah, we can make money, but we spend money as well. So let's go, let's continue. Alright guys, so that was it. For some reason I never finished my videos. I forgot to take the after shots for these vehicles, but the idea is pretty much we was able to make that type of money. The reason why we charge, like once again, we charge $375 for the two previous vehicles, and then we charge $325 for the other one. So the other one, the Honda Accord, it was pretty bad in the interior, so we spent a lot of time on it. We didn't need engine bay detail or anything like that on that one, but yes, we take care really good the interior, you know, to bring it back to life because it was bad. But anyways, it was some deep stains and stuff like that, as you guys saw right there. I will set some shots over here of how the carpet extractor was kind of sucking all the nasty stuff, you know, from it. But yeah, it was like that, you know. And another thing that I do want to talk about, yes, we can do all that type of money and stuff like that, but there, behind that we are doing that type of money, there is a lot of investment as well. Because one of the things that we need to think about is like how we're gonna get those clients. So as you guys saw, there was a client that stopped by and he asked us for our business card and stuff like that, and he created the appointment right on the spot. So like you can tell when it's a serious client as well. But as well, you know, the SEO, you have to promote your business and all that stuff, so you gotta spend a lot of money as well monthly. You know, you gotta be constantly spending money. Now if you are paying someone to do your SEO and you already are in the, you know, first places of Google or stuff like that, then I believe you should be okay. But if you want to boost your business, at the same time, you need to spend a little extra money, I would say, in Google Ads, Facebook ads, or stuff like that. You know, depending on which platform you like better to do this type of, you know, the SEO, you know, to promote your business. So that's very important. As well, we have a lot of investment on our mobile units. That's another thing. We have to pay employees as well. So there is a lot of money that you need to spend, you know. But at the end of the day, we are able to make some good money and to support our family, which that's the main thing. That's the reason why we are doing this. It's not easy because at the same time, as you guys saw, I was sweating bad that I was even have to go back home whenever we went to eat some lunch. We stopped by, you know, eat some lunch. And then I went to get a different clothes because that shirt right there was all the way on sweat, you know. So I did went to get like a pair of shirts and the t-shirt, a different one, stuff like that, because it was hot. But anyways, guys, I hope that this video helped someone out there. And I'm posting these so you guys know a little bit about the business. There is good money out there. There is a lot you have to work hard. But I wanna say that it's worth it. It's worth it, the investment that you gotta do. At the first, you don't have to do a big investment or stuff like that. We was able to do 3 vehicles on one day. This is depending on the quality of work that you're doing as well. Maybe we could do more, but at the same time, I prefer to do less and quality work and charge properly. So our pricing over here in Richmond, Virginia is I think it's fair. You know what we normally charge. There is maybe other places where you can charge more, but at the same time it's a place that maybe you have to pay more for rent or stuff like that. You know, you gotta go by, you know, the state or the area where you live, you know, and stuff like that. But it's just something to think about. But anyways, guys, I think and I hope that this video is gonna be helpful for someone. So, and if you guys like videos like this, please help me out, subscribe to my channel and click the bell. That way you guys will get those notifications whenever we drop those videos. Share this video with your friends, with anybody who you might think that is gonna be beneficial for them. And yeah, give me a thumbs up. Once again, like, share, subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.